Hello everybody, my name is Chelsea. I'm a Children's Services Assistant with Clearview Library District. Welcome back. It's Wednesday. It is the end of March and we are going to do a really fun craft today. So welcome to Getting Crafty. Let's get started. Alright, so if you picked up your kit, inside your kit you're going to find some yellow paper, some green stretchy like bandage material. You're going to find a pen. And then you've got a little baking cup, okay? In addition to that, you're going to need some scissors and some glue. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. So what I did is, if you guys have ever seen, so we're going to make daffodil pins. So if you guys have ever seen a daffodil, they have 6 petals, okay? But again, you use as much or as little of the paper as you want, but go ahead and I went ahead and cut mine out. So go ahead and cut out your daffodil for the top of your pen. Okay, so it's going to go on the top of your pen. Once you have cut that out, take your baking cup. Okay, so we're going to glue that right in the middle of here. So just put a little bit of glue in the middle of your flower. Use any kind of glue that you want. I'm just using regular Elmer's crafting glue. Go ahead and take your paper cup and set it on top of your daffodil. Push it down so that it looks like a daffodil. I thought the baking cup with the little flowers on it was cute, so. Okay, so go ahead and set that aside. Let that glue for a second. Okay, then you're going to want to take your pen, go ahead and take the cap off of it, and what I would do is I'm going to leave a little bit of room, maybe this dark part of the pen here, to glue my daffodil on there. So I'm just going to leave a little bit of room there. But what you want to do is also make sure that you leave some room to put your cap back on. So you're going to want to maybe start right about there, and what you're going to do is this stuff is very interesting. It's really, really stretchy, and it kind of sticks to itself. So what you're going to want to do is just hold on to it and stretch it, wrap it around, kind of take it in an angle, up, okay, and then it's literally just going to stick to itself. So you've got your green pen, okay, and then you're going to take some glue and put some glue on the top of your pen, the end of your pen, whichever way you're looking at it, but at the end of it. Put a nice dab of glue on there, okay? So we've got some glue on the end of our pen, and we're going to take the top of our daffodil that we just cut out and glued the back on, and just hold it there for a minute. But then you've got your daffodil pen. Pretty easy, pretty simple. You can still get your pen lid on and off there, okay? And then you can just stick that down in your pen holder and grab it anytime, but it's super cute. I thought it was nice for something spring-like. You know, it's the end of March and we're officially in spring now, so it's nice to have a little writing utensil that's kind of fun. Okay, so there we go. We have our daffodil pen. Oh, not quite glued yet. Just keep holding it. Or actually, if you want to set it down and let it glue, that's perfect too. Alrighty. Okay, well, that was a short and simple one, but I hope that you had fun and enjoyed doing that with me, and we look forward to seeing you again in another couple weeks. Thanks for joining us, guys.